Asyhadu alla ilaha illallah.
Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah.
Australia, officially the Commonwealth of Australia, is a sovereign country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent.
The Australian national flag was first flown in 1901.
The formal symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia.
The Aboriginal tribe is one of the indigenous Australians.
There are 6 main types of Aboriginal weapons. These are boomerangs, spears, spear throwers, clubs, sorcery, and shields.
Guys, please don't forget to listen very closely because in the end there will be a quiz. From actual research to my own personal experience, I have brought you the top 5 most favorite landmarks of mine. Goes from this to this.
Wow.
The question. So the first question is, what are the colors of Australia's flag?
Australia celebrates the soldiers that died in the war.
Oh, great.
Congratulations.
We will get speech or comment from our beloved native teacher, Mr. John. Are you there?
Everybody did very good today. Australia, I love Australia. Been to Sydney, of course. I have friends in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth. Many places in Australia, I have friends there. Even though I'm American, I love Australia too. Very nice place. Okay, everybody did a very good job. Thank you for listening.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's close our agenda with hamdalah. Alhamdulillah. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.